Hi, this is Jeff from Aqua Products, and today we'll be unboxing the MRT 5000. This pool cleaner is a great in-ground and above-ground pool cleaner. Comes with a 3-year warranty, and it will clean pool floor, coat, and the water line. The first thing you'll notice when you open the box is you'll pull out the caddy, part of the caddy assembly. So the cleaner does come with a free caddy to help store your cleaner and move it about the pool. The next thing we'll pull out is the actual cleaner itself. Besides being a pretty nice looking cleaner, this cleaner comes with a 60-foot cable, a detangler, and we recommend this cleaner for 50-foot pools, somewhere around there. Okay. Next, you'll find the quick start instructions in the manual, flotation kit, and just so you know, you can register your cleaner on aquabot.com, and it should take you about 5 minutes. We include flotation kit because sometimes the pool cleaner might not reach the desired height on the wall. If you feel that that's an issue, you can always install these, and that'll help out. Now, we're not saying that's the case for all, every single time, but we want to make sure you're covered. Next, we'll pull out the power supply. And if we want to get in a little closer, you'll see that the other end of the caddy is at the bottom. And the caddy is very easy to install. This cleaner actually does come with a remote, so you'll find that inside this box. So let's take a look at the cleaner real quick. First thing you'll notice is that this cleaner has top access filter baskets. The top is clear, so you can actually see how full the basket is and whether or not you have to empty it. There's one on this side, and there's one on this side. Ergonomic handle, true 4-wheel drive mechanisms, and a scrubbing brush on the bottom to help loosen up stubborn dirt and debris. And that's the MRT 5000.